here. This one. Hello, Laurie. Today we are making the bangle here. Open. Thank you. Okay. Attach a chain. What's the size? Is this one? This is the stats. Thank you. This is the size of the jumping we use here. Actually, any size okay. You just need to find a size that can be hang on the space here, hang on it here, and the hole cannot be bigger than the beads, and it's not so much small, harder to close. Yeah, here, this way, hang. Yes, mommy, here we also see like this. If I act, it means someone talk with me or someone missing me. Okay, so here, this one. Okay, here. It's this way. Yeah, why I put a chain? It's a safe chain. The size is here. Size is this one I use. Yeah, this is the size we use. Oh, thank you, Zava. Okay, thank you. Then the bangle, we wear it. This chain is here, for example, when you are the bangle, you pull it and it's open, then the chain is here to help the bangle not drop away. Yeah, because the chain is close this bangle. Yeah.